I start by laying the bodice flat and I sew the two shoulders together and up the neckline. I line the sleeves up with the shoulder opening of the bodice and I cut the curves to match. Once the curves match, I align the middle of the sleeve with the center seam of the shoulder and I pin it so that it's all even, and then I sew that together. Next, I lay the bodice flat and I pin up the sides from the bottom of the dress up the waist into the armpit. I sew the sleeves in a separate stitch. I align both armpit hems together and then I align the wrist openings together. I flatten it out and make sure that the sleeve matches my arm measurements perfectly. I did go back in and customize that because I wanted the sleeves to fit tight, so you just adjust it to your personal liking. Once you have the armpit hem and the wrist openings perfectly matched up, you want to go and sew along that line, and that's what's going to seal your sleeve. I fold the wrist cuff back so that I can hem that close, and I do that on both sleeves, and then I'm also going to close the hem of the bottom of the dress. I always pin and make sure that the seams are aligned because you want it to be perfectly symmetrical. Excuse my underclothes under my dress, but once I put the dress on, I pinned where I wanted to make the dress more fitted. I decided that I was going to put a slit in the dress, so I measured 7 inches up from the bottom, and then I cut diagonally a small slit. So with the slit, you can make it as big or as small as you want. I was making this dress more modest, so that's why I went with 7 inches. Once I opened the slit, I hemmed back the opening to make it more neat, And then I also adjusted the neckline. With the neckline, I traced out a second piece that was the same size, and I sewed it to the opening of the existing neckline. Once you sew your neckline and attach it, this is what it should look like. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.